Hello again everyone, welcome back to DIY The Art of Wood. I'm Jeremy and Happy New Year. I have one last video of the year here for you. As you can see behind me, the walls are painted, and before you pass any judgments, I just want to say I did not pick out this color. Just want to say that. It's called Honey Nougat, but I think a more appropriate name for it would be Peach Nightmare. I don't know how well the color will actually show up on camera here, but in person, it's basically just peach. And it's a terrible color, and I definitely can't live like this. So tomorrow, I'm hoping that the hardware store is open. I can go grab a new color and redo this while I still have all the masking and taping and tarping up. So anyway, just a little update on the project for you. The wall painting did not turn out well as far as the color. I mean, it's still, we're not even completely dry yet, but it's just, this is terrible. So we're going to be trying something else tomorrow. And again, Happy New Year.